So hi, I am back with carrier landings, and in this video what I am going to do is I am going to try and find out if I can clip the FA-18's landing gear on the airport objects. So we're gonna go to the airbase final instead of the airbase takeoff and put start and tap to start. Now I'll make the day clear. As you can see, we're in our amazing FA-18 and we're gonna put our gear down right away. This means we can have our gear down much sooner and therefore we can try to clip the object. So I'm gonna go down really far, then I'm gonna go full speed, well not full speed, but just down as quick as I can and pull up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna restart. I have zero clue. Why do I put the flaps? So I don't actually know about the gear. That's good. I actually have no clue how to clip it actually. It's very difficult, but we will try it again. 3, oh boy, and woo! Yo, that was close. Whoa, I need to try and do that in the replay. Yo, that was close. Alright, I am back. I'm going to try this. Woo, going way too fast. Go around, go around, go around. Okay, that was really cutting. Okay, going around and slow down. Okay, coming in. Let's try to clip it on the... What in the world happened? Guess what, guys? I got the fright of my life. When I had that sound, I literally jerked. If I had a face cam, you would have laughed. But anyway, what did we hit? It looked as if we... Okay, so we're coming in. Alright. And clip. Oh, okay. So we did not hit the field truck, but we did hit the plane. I actually didn't anticipate the hitting of the what do you call it? The field truck. But that was a moment to behold. Okay. On the planes. Let's watch it one more time. 3, 2, 1, and oh yes, this is gonna give us a good view. Okay, coming in. Runway side. I think that's will make more sense. Okay, coming in for my last try, and boom. That was unbelievable. Goodness gracious. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and see you next time for my next video. And in the next video we are going to conduct some tests at the aircraft carrier. Thanks for watching.